So I'm here looking at these crazy machines. So for you all who like to make socks and make custom socks, this thing makes custom socks. Look at this thing. Right? It's a cool little machine that makes custom socks. Right there. See the little hats? And those are towels, right? The little scarves you put around your neck. That's the beanies you make, so you can make a design any way you want. So cool, right? Then around here, this one is the beanie one. This one makes beanies. Look at that thing. So if you want to make your own custom beanies, this is what you buy to do it. That is so awesome. I love this little machine already. If I had the space, I'd get one. I ain't got the money though, but I still get one. See you in a minute.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.